I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ZZZ version and saving a backup. This prevents data loss. Next, open the project and go directly to the layer that shows the transparency filter, because you will edit it in place. Once there, switch into Advanced Edit mode or enable Developer Tools in ZZZ. This exposes the filter stack. Make sure to note current filter values and presets before changing them, as you will need to restore settings if anything goes wrong. You now inspect the filter stack to find the transparency node and any linked masks, because removing the filter requires precision. Once found, either reduce opacity to 0% or delete the blending operation that enforces transparency. Choose delete only if you have your backup. Then, examine nested effects and linked assets so changes propagate correctly, otherwise you'll leave artifacts. If ZZZ shows dependencies, detach them first. If it requires confirmation, accept only after verifying the preview looks correct. You finish by rendering or generating a full preview to confirm the transparency filter is gone and visuals match expectations. If you see artifacts or unexpected transparency, immediately restore your backup, then repeat the targeted edits more conservatively. Modify masks or opacity in increments so you can identify the culprit. Once satisfied, save a new version and record the change log for future reference. This helps you revert or reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.